Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Instagram name tags feature. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your profile and click on the menu option on the top right corner and select QR code. And here you just see your name Wolf.street, and you can also change color, and you can also select emoji and then click on the share option on the top right corner. Okay, it says sorry, we couldn't complete your request, please try again in a moment. So simply dismiss, and here you can search other users as well by clicking on scan QR code. So you just scan other users code. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.